Okay, so the question is, how do we get from something which is an audio file, which just plays like this,
George.
into something which means that I can actually play it on a keyboard like this,
George.
and get it to do this?
George.
Yeah? How do I get from that to a sampler instrument? Well, this is what I'm going to show you. So, first off, you have to record your audio in. You need to start with an empty project and choose audio track mono, plug in a microphone and record what you need to record. I can show you how to do that separately, but really screenshot isn't the right way to do it. So let's watch what we do on Logic. Then the thing to do, once you've got the recording in there, even if there are gaps in between, don't worry about it. Double click and zoom the size down here so you can see everything that you need to see. Okay, so that's the darker grey bit is what, sorry, let me just get back, that's the right kind of size. The darker grey bit between here and here is a bit of the track we're going to be working with. Now, we can slice this by hitting this special button here. See that one there, line and two triangles. Yeah, it's called transient editing mode. We click on that and all of a sudden these lines appear. And what it's done is every time the sound builds up quickly like that, Logic detects it and sticks a line in at the beginning of the sound. Then we can go up to audio and we use this option called convert regions to new sampler track. Let me zoom that in for you. Convert regions to new sampler track. Now this is really cool because what it does is that it says, let's see this a little bit bigger, it says what do you want to do? Do you want to do this from the region or the transient markers? We're going to go from the transient markers. In other words, every time a loud sound comes along, give me a new note. We're saying start me on note number C2, you can change that if you want. End me on group note number G8 if you need to go that high. In fact, we've only got 5 zones here. I'm going to call it GW box drums, Voc drums 2. Okay, and then I'm going to hit OK. And if I zoom back out again, all of a sudden you can see that a new track has been created there. Now, if I solo that track and go back to the beginning, you should hear exactly what you heard before.
George.
Okay, ignore the last bit there. The fact is that that is just what I played in the first place. Not very exciting stuff. But if I delete that and just twiddle around on the keyboard, I'm now pressing C2 and I've got my kick drum. Any rhythm I want. Yeah, got the idea? And now I can just record it in. So basically a recording has turned into a MIDI instrument. Now I'm going to stop and show you how to do your editing in the next video.